Hey y'all, just a friendly tip here, guys. Remember to change your filters. On 80% of the calls that I go on, it's usually related to a dirty filter. And if your furnace can't breathe, the motor's going to go out, or it's going to go out on high limit. And guys, it's just a simple fix, guys. Once a month, try to at least examine your filter and change it. I just use these little cheap filters, guys, but I change them every month, whether they're dirty or not. I do that religiously.
Wow.